Contract drafting is a crucial skill for business owners and managers. A well-drafted contract protects your interests, prevents disputes, and ensures legal compliance. This video will guide you through the essential steps of drafting an effective contract. The first step in drafting a contract is to determine if all parties can legally participate. Generally, participants must be over 18 and mentally fit to sign. Next, establish the consideration, which is the exchange of goods, services, or promises that forms the basis of the contract. Clearly state what each party will give and receive. Now, determine the contract's terms. These should be mutually beneficial and arrived at in good faith. Always express terms in writing for easier enforcement. Consider including a confidentiality clause to protect sensitive information, and add a dispute resolution clause to specify how conflicts will be handled. Include a termination clause that outlines the contract's duration and conditions for early termination. Ensure your contract adheres to all applicable laws, as non-compliance can render it unenforceable. Reserve the last page for signatures and dates, as a contract is not in effect until signed and dated by all parties. Once drafted, offer the contract for acceptance. Be prepared to negotiate terms if the other party makes a counteroffer. Review the entire contract with each revision to understand all changes. When a final agreement is reached, all parties should sign, date, and keep a copy of the contract. Modern technology has revolutionized contract drafting. Online tools and contract management software offer templates, automated compliance checks, and digital signing capabilities. These resources can streamline the process and help ensure all necessary clauses are included. Remember to tailor your contracts to your specific industry. For example, IT contracts might focus on intellectual property, while construction agreements emphasize liability and timelines. Consult with legal experts in your field to ensure comprehensive coverage. Avoid common pitfalls when drafting contracts. Use clear, unambiguous language to prevent misinterpretation. Specify which jurisdiction's laws govern the contract. Stay updated on legal changes to maintain compliance. And never omit key clauses like confidentiality or dispute resolution. In conclusion, effective contract drafting requires attention to detail, clear communication, and legal knowledge. By following these steps and leveraging available tools, you can create contracts that protect your interests and foster successful business relationships. For complex agreements or industry-specific needs, always consider consulting with a qualified legal professional.